Let's make a home insurance cake. Okay, so we're gonna make a cake, but we have to go shopping for the ingredients, and we need to know what kind of cake you want so we can get the right ingredients. Maybe you want a vanilla cake, basic coverages, not a lot to it. Maybe you want a little bit of sprinkles on top, just a normal standard home policy. Maybe you want a chocolate cake, frosting, some extra coverages. Maybe you want a wedding cake, flowers sticking out of it. You want all the bells and whistles. Let us know what kind of policy you want so we can customize it to you. Now we know what kind of cake you want, so let's go get the ingredients. Alright, so the ingredients we'll need for our first tier of the cake, which arguably is the most important, is building coverage, other structures, personal property, additional living expenses, and liability. Building coverage and other structures. Building coverage is what you'll need to rebuild a house from the ground up. Other structures is any detached structure from the property. Sheds, garages, maybe you don't need it. Personal property. This is all your stuff. Clothes, furniture, jewelry, pots, pans, silverware. Maybe you got a lot, maybe you got a little. Additional living expenses and liability. Liability is when someone comes over to the house, slips and fall, wants to sue you. Additional living expenses if you need somewhere else to rent while the home is being rebuilt or repaired. Now for our second tier. For that, we'll need maybe some jewelry and fine arts coverage, earthquake insurance, and flood insurance. Okay, so we have our ingredients, now let's put a recipe together. First things first, you want to save money on the ingredients. So we want to maximize on our discounts, which we'll go over in a minute. Secondly, determine what kind of cake you want. Do you want a plain vanilla cake? Do you want maybe a decadent chocolate cake? What kind of coverage do you want? So try to think about that. Then lastly, just pick your cake coverage pricing company. Alright, so let's jump right into the discounts. Those sometimes include sprinkler discount, central station burglar and/or fire alarm, new home buyer, gated community, and bundling your insurance policies. Community One Insurance is here to help you determine what kind of cake you want and to explain all the different coverages, company, and pricing. We try to make it easy and simple. Thanks for watching.